so that those who miss to join due to some reason or other, okay, they can attend the session later on, they can see the session later on. So friends, we have to understand that intraday trading is the trading for one day only. It starts at 9:15 and closes by 3:30. So we have to be, we have to take some position in that time frame from 9:15 to 3:30. Okay, this is one important thing we have to understand, right? And if we have taken a trade only for the basis of intraday trading, so that we have to understand that it's an intraday trade, we don't have to carry it forward. Don't carry your intraday trades forward to next day. Never ever do this. Friends, this is the biggest mistake traders do. Then when they see that their trade is in loss, what they do, they think that tomorrow the stock can go higher. Okay, if they have bought some stock, so they expect the stock can go higher, and the next day they will be, they come out of the trade either cost to cost or with some profit. So that's the biggest blunder I would say here, that this is the blunder the people make. Okay, this is the biggest mistake people do it, because friends, nobody knows the stocks where does the stock will go the next day. So just to make this point clear, I will take one stock here that has fallen very badly in in the previous session. That is Bajaj Auto. Let me just show you, friends. Let me show you one stock. See here, friends. Look at this stock. Friends, and one important thing, friends, while in intraday trading, you have to check your charts in 5 minutes time frame. So friends, there may be some people who don't have access to charts in their we can say trading platform, in their softwares. So friends, I would like to know the people who don't have access to charts in their we can say trading platform, in their system, in the softwares. Those who don't have access to charts in their we can say softwares, those who can't see charts in the software, please tell me in group. Okay, just please type in the group that you have to type no charts. Just type no charts. Okay, good. One person, I have got one message. So friends, I will tell you some free sites so that you can see the charts there. Okay, good. Friends, this message is only for those who don't have access to charts. Just write no charts. I want responses only from people those who have no access to charts. Those who have access to chart, they can see it. I will guide you how to check the charts and in what time frame we have to do it in intraday. But those who don't have access to charts, this message is especially for you, for all those who don't have access to we can say charts in their softwares. Yeah, good morning, sir. Shrikanji, good morning, sir. Okay, so friends, I have just got two responses. There are two people who are saying they have no access to their charts. So simply, friends, there is a site, investing.com. You can see here on my screen, investing.com. So this is a free charting site and it's a wonderful site. So friends, you can use this site anytime. Let me just show you. That's why I have opened this site. So where you have to go, you just type in any browser, investing.com. Investing.com. Okay, you just type investing.com and click. So this free site will be open to you. Friends, this is a free site, charting site. I have already logged into this site. There is no need to log in. There is no need to log in. Okay, and you don't have to pay anything for this site. This is a totally free site. Okay, so I will first change to country. You can see here I have changed my country. Okay, from this place I have gone to my country. Okay, India. Okay, now friends, we have to go in the left side of this page, this site. There is first page is markets, then is crypto, third is charts. So we will go to charts. So there you can see real time charts, friends. This is live charts. Okay, so just click on this live charts. Friends, how many people are comfortable in Hindi and English? If everybody is comfortable in English, then the session will be in English. Sorry, if everybody is comfortable in Hindi, then I will do the session in Hindi. But if some people, I feel there are many people who don't know Hindi, so that's why I do my session. Most of my sessions are in English, friends. Most of my sessions are in English, for the reason that I think that most of the people know English. Okay, yeah, because see, it's my experience, friends. I am teaching for quite a long time, more than 1 year. Okay, so I have come across many people who don't know Hindi. Okay, so for them it's not easy to understand Hindi, and that they can't understand me. So that's why I choose English. Okay, friends, so have you seen how from where I have taken this chart? This is already, when you open this, you will get US in our chart. Okay, so we will type here in this space, we will type here any stock name. So let me just type here Titan or anything. Friends, any stock you want to discuss, please tell the name, if any stock you want. So I will open that chart only. Anybody go, sorry, Bajaj, okay, Bajaj Auto. Okay, sir, okay, I'm just opening. Yes, sir, let's just wait, I'm opening. Friends, please mute your audio, you just unmute when you have to talk something and immediately unmute, so that there is no disturbance in the session and everybody can understand. So see here, friends, this chart is already opened in a 15 minutes time frame. So I will make this in 5 minutes time frame. So friends, for intraday trading, 5 minutes time frame is the best. It's my own experience, friends. So you can do it for from the charts are available from 1 minute to you can see here there is an option of time frame also. You can check here what all time frames are available. So one can check the charts in 1 minute time frame also. Okay, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30, 45 and so on. 1 day, 1 week, 1 month and so on. Right? But friend, for intraday trading, 5 minutes time frame is the best. As per my own experience, 5 minutes time frame is the best, because you get the you are not too early and not too late. Right, friends? So I have opened this Bajaj Auto Limited in 5 minutes time frame. I will just 1 minute. Yeah, this is the chart. So let me just zoom out the chart. So friends, you can see here the stock was in a range. Okay, you can see here, let me just go back. See the chart, friends. See here in this portion, the stock was in a limited range, we can say, but the previous trading session, there was the results of the company. Okay, so friends, this is my request to everybody, that on the day of the results of any stock, avoid a stock on the day of the results, because that day the stock can give wild movements on either side, and that's not easy for one person to understand the movement, and there are high chances of making losses. I don't say there are chances of losses only, there are chances of big profits also. If we could catch that movement, if we could understand the movement of the stock, we can make huge profits also. But normally those who don't understand the movements, they will lose big. Okay, so friends, this is my request to everybody, that don't go for stocks those who are going to declare the results on that day. Okay, avoid those stocks for the day. You can start trading on those stocks from next day, only after the results are declared, and study the results, and you can just Google search the results of any company. So you will get to know. Just let me just go here. I will study the I will just Google search the results of this Bajaj Auto results. So friends, you can see there is a page Bloomberg Quint. Okay, so you can see here the you can read about this. You can read about the results here. Let it open. Sorry, the net is little slow, friends. What is this? 1 minute, friends. I will go back once again. There is some problem with this. So I will just click here on the first first site I am getting here, money control. This is money control site. This is also free charting site, free site, friends. So you can study different stocks here free of cost. So let it just open. Yeah, I'm on the money control site, so we can see the results of this Bajaj Auto. Friends, this is very important. The stocks, the results of the stocks are very important. The day the stocks the net is little slow, friends. You just wait. Okay, it is open now. Sorry. Okay, friends, so you can see here the Bajaj Auto. Okay, it has closed at a price of 28,339.60. Okay, and the stock has fallen 8.884%. There is a the stock has fallen to 75 points. Okay, because the company has posted the results are not as per expectation. Okay, let me just go down. So friends, I will tell you one simple app you can download it in your mobile. That is investing.com. So you can download this app in in mobile also, and you can check there is a column option of regarding results. So you can study there in the results of any company. If stock has you can see here the stock has it has fallen because the results were not as per expectation. Okay, the results were not as per expectation, and the stock has fallen down approximately 9%. Okay, so now let us go to charts. I will not go in details of studying this results, so you can check it at your own behalf. I will just go here to show how we can trade in this stock from Monday. Okay, so just let me, yeah, it is again US dollar. So Bajaj Auto is there. Sorry, not matching. Okay, one minute, friends, there is some disturbance in group. Okay, so we shall continue, friends. Okay, so friends, you can see here, the stock has not posted the results as per expectation. Okay, so what was the result? The stock has given a very big fall downside. So let me just, friends, first of all we will go to 5 minutes time frame. We will check the chart in 5 minutes time frame. So this is very important if you are taking intraday trading, if you are doing intraday trade and you are taking position in intraday. So friends, 5 minute time frame is the most reliable time frame you can trade as per the 5 minute time frame. Okay, so you could see here, friends, yeah, this is okay, it started falling from this time actually. Yeah, let me just go back. Yeah, this is the 20th of July. You can see here. I will just so friends, you can see here, this is 20th of July. Okay, and stock has opened with this candle. You can see this is 9:15 candle. 1 minute, I will just zoom out more. Okay, look at this candle. Stock opened here. Okay, and see the red candle in 5 minutes time frame. The next candle is also red. See what after that stock has given, you know, little upside movement, because the results were not declared by that time, and stock, you know, it just given an upside movement and then again fallen from this level. So it made a range here. You can see there is a very stock remained in a very little range, friends, for quite some long time. I will just count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11 candle. Means for approximately 1 hour stock remained in a very narrow range. You could see here, because the results were about to be declared. Okay, so see friends, just at the, you know, look at this, there is a big candle upside movement is there. Okay, and stock started here, we can say from that high stock started falling down. Okay, so there is a big fall once the results were declared. Once the results were declared, the stock, because the results were not as per expectation of the stock, so stock has given a very big fall from this level. So initially made a high of, it opened, friends, you can see here, it opened at 3120. Okay, it opened at 31. You can friends, you can read this portion also. Just look at this portion. You can see O for open, as per high, L for low, and C for close. So I'm just keeping my, you know, cursor on this candle, red candle. This is opening candle, 9:15 candle. You can see here, stock opened at 3121.55. It made a high of 3121.70 and low of 3096 and closed 311110. Okay, so friends, look at this candle. This is the highest candle of the day. Okay, stock has made a high of 3151 and low of 3139. Okay, so friends, after making this high, stock remained in a range and even dipped at this candle also. It made the low of 3107. And after the results were declared, friends, what happened? Stock has given a very big fall. So look at this candle, friends. This candle opened at 3123.45 and made a high of 3124.80. Okay, just we can say 1 point it moved upside from its opening and given a closing at made a low of 3046.55 and closed at 3049.15. So you could see there is a big candle, friends. There is a big candle. Okay, if someone has shorted at this level, so friends, the person have got huge profit in this stock. So you can see here, stock started a fall from this level. Okay, so friends, this is the case of the, you know, the stocks which have the results. So they give big movements. If someone is new to market and can't understand this movement, so he is likely to lose big amount. So that's why, friends, I always advise my friends not to trade in stocks which have a news, which have some results on that day. So especially white stocks which have the results, because on the day of results, stock give movement either side. In spite of, you know, good results, the stock can give huge movements, big movements in either side. Okay, so friends, it's, you know, just looking at the charts, I think there may be few people who can't understand what anything about charts. Let me just go back to opening candle. Friends, I will tell it. Okay, I will tell it. Just wait. Let me show you what you have to see and how we can trade. Okay, friends. So see, stock has opened at this level. Okay, so friends, just if some you all might have seen my, you know, I have made a video on the concept of moving averages. Okay, so I will put some moving averages in this stock just to see how the moving averages are indicating about this stock movement. And friends, for new traders, those who are totally new in market, there is a wonderful indicator. Okay, so they can take the help of this indicator, that is super trend. It is for new people, those who have no knowledge of market, they're totally new in market and they can't understand charts, they can't understand reading charts. So friends, they can take the help of this super trend indicator. Okay, it's a wonderful indicator. So one can use this indicator, friends. One can use this indicator. So see, friends, stock opened at this level. Stock was already, you know, you can see the super trend was already, you know, 1 minute. The chart was already below super trend. You can see here So friends, I will select some moving averages. Okay, let me just modify some moving averages. Okay, I will take the initial moving average of let us say let us keep it 9. Okay, let us keep it 9. Friends, I will not modify it, let us keep it 9. Okay, we need one small moving average and one big moving average. Okay, so friends, I will take a big moving average of 20. For intraday trading, we can go with 20 period moving average. So I will change its color to red. I will change its color to red. So look at, friends, look at the red line and the blue line. Look at the red and the blue line. 1 minute. Okay, sorry friends. Okay, so friends, you could see here in this part of the chart, the stock was, oh, sorry, 1 minute. What happened? I wanted to zoom it out. Okay, so this is the opening candle of 20th. Okay friends, so you could see the stock was already, you know, below the super trend. Super trend has given a sell signal. This red line of the super trend is indicating a sell signal. This is the super trend line, friends. This line, this is the super trend line. Okay, so stock was already, you know, below the super trend, so it is a sell signal of the super trend. So what happened in this period? I will just zoom out more so that you can clearly see. Look at this portion, friends. Look at this portion. Look at the moving averages also. The 20 period moving average was above, and this 9 period moving average, okay, it is below it. So it's a condition for the sell, friends. It's a sell signal, friends. Let me just highlight this portion. This portion, friends, you can see here, this is a sell signal. So you can see here the stock is in this condition, so one can sell in this condition. Okay, here one can sell, but friends, always remember my words that there are new people joining. Okay friends, I will just share the link. Okay, so friends, what happened? When initially you have to wait for a stock at least for 15 minutes if you are not clear about the market trend. Okay, so friends, it's better to wait for the 15 minutes. Okay, and we should try to take some position only after 15 minutes. So friends, you can just count the candles, 1, 2 and 3 candles. So see, these are the 3 candles, friends. So as per these 3 candles, the stock is in downtrend. They were giving us an indication of the downtrend, and super trend is also giving us a downtrend till this time. So what happened, friends, at this level, you can see here stock moved here, okay, made in this range and then gone here. Okay, so see here, friends, what happened in this level. I want to show this level, friends. You can check this level. Look at the crossover of this 20 period and 9 period moving average. So friends, and super trend has also given a buy signal, so one could enter at this level, friends. One could have entered at this level. See friends, this upward green arrow of the super trend, this is a super trend line, and this is a signal of this is a buy signal of the super trend, friends. So one can take the help of, you know, moving averages to enter at this level. One can take an entry at this level, keeping a stop loss off at this level, friends. Ideally the stop loss is at this flat line of the super trend. This is our ideal stop loss. Okay, or we can do one more thing. We can take the stop loss at the low of previous candle, this candle I am talking. So this level is actually, let me just mark it, this level, friends. This is the level. I will just show you what level is this. Okay, so friends, we can keep a stop loss of 3105. Okay, our ideal stop loss is 31. We can keep 3101 or 3100. Okay, 1 minute, friends. Do we need to use 9-day period? And friends, you need one small moving average and one big moving average. Okay, so you can make use of 10 and 20. Okay, you can add 50 period moving average also. Let me just add one more moving average, 50 period moving average also. For more confirmation, always take trade as per you know, we have to take some trade only after some confirmation, friends. We should not be in hurry to take a trade. Okay, don't be in hurry to take a trade, friends. We have to understand before entering in any stock. We have to understand what we are doing actually. Okay, 1 minute, friends. I will change its color also so that you can see it clearly. Okay, so that it is quite differently. I will make it dark red color. Okay, I will make it dark red color. So I have taken it 50 period moving average, friends. So see here, friends, this 50 period moving average is also, you could see there's a dark line. This 50 period moving average is also, below this level. You could see at this crossover. Look at this crossover, friends. This blue line has crossed both of these, moving averages. So one can take a position at this level also. Okay. Once super trend has given a sell signal, buy signal. This is a buy signal actually. So one can take a position only after, you could see, friends, at the time, the situation. Let me show the situation. What was the situation? How the situation look like? It doesn't look like because the crossover has taken later on. But the situation is like this, friends. Let us take just, we are in live. Okay, and see the moving averages are just coming close to a point. You could see smaller moving averages started moving up, and these higher moving averages just coming close to this level. They're coming to this level. They're touching this candle. Okay, they're about to touch this candle, and you could see the stock is now rising, and super trend has also given a buy signal. So you can take an advantage at this level. You can take a small risk, but friends, we have to understand the risk. It's a very important point, friends. We have to understand the risk, that what is the risk. If we are comfortable with that risk, then only we should go for the trade. So friends, before taking any position, we have to understand how much capital we are going, if we are take a trade, and if it goes wrong, how much we can lose. Friends, this is very important thing. I have seen many people, they don't think of their losses, they just think of their profits. So friends, I never look at the profit side. I always look at the loss side, at the risk side. Friends, we should look for the risk, that how much risk is there, and whether I can take that risk or not. We have to decide before taking any position. So friends, let me just give an idea. Simple. I will take a line here. I will take a line. I will take a horizontal line, friends, to highlight this level actually. Yeah, I am taking this horizontal line. So friends, can you see these candles? Look at these candles. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are few candles, 4, 5 candles are there. And look at the low of these candle, friends. So what we can do, we can keep this level as a stop loss. We can keep this level as a stop loss. 1 minute, I will just highlight this line because the line is very, thin. Okay, 1 minute, friends. Okay, so I will take it a red line, friends, just to highlight. Sorry, I will let us make it green line. Okay, and I will just bold it, friends. I will bold it so that you can clearly see this line. So friends, can you see this green line? So this green line is acting as a support, because see, stock was not you have seen the stock was initially in, it started fall from this level. Super trend is also giving a sell signal. Already there is a sell signal by the super trend, and the stock has gone below these moving averages also. This is a sell signal, friends, but you could see here the stock has taken, we can say this level has stock has taken support at this level. Stock has taken support at this level. Okay, so what you can do here, looking at these levels, you could see stock would not break this level, and there is a range. Okay, after this range is, we can say after the range is finished, you could see that super trend has given a buy signal, and these moving averages also, they are turning up. You could see that this smaller time period moving average, 9 period moving average started moving up, and both these moving averages, higher time frame, that is 50 and 20 period moving average, also just touching at this candle. So you can take a entry at this level, friends, somewhere above this level. Looking at these candles, you could see these lines are just coming close to this level. Look at this, friends. Look at this level. Look at this, how it look like. Okay, you could see that stock is, these moving averages are coming close to this level. Okay, so what you can do at this level, once super trend has given a buy signal, you can take an entry above this level, friends. 31156. Yeah, you can take an entry at this level, 3116 level. You can take an entry. Okay, let me just highlight this level. You can take your entry at this level. Okay, but friends, before taking an entry, we have to decide a risk, because we could see the stock has made a range here in this level. There is a range for the stock. Let me just highlight this level. I have already marked this level. So this level is a range where stock has not broken this level, this range, in spite of the downtrend. So this level can be a support, friends. This is a strong support level for the stock. So we can keep a stop loss of this level. So this is 3101. So we can keep a stop loss of 3100 also, or 3101 also. Okay, and we can take an entry at this level, friends. So there is a, look at this, friends. There is a, we can say there is approximately 15 points difference. How much difference is this? There is a difference of 15 points, friends. So we have to understand this thing, that if we are taking a risk up, if we are taking an entry at this level, so there is a risk of 15 points, friends. So we have to understand this risk. We have to understand the risk. If we are comfortable with this risk, okay, so then we can take an entry at this level, friends. We can take an entry at this level and be in the position. Okay, so friends, always remember that before taking any position, we have to decide that how much risk we can take. And friends, there are ways to control your risk. There are ways to control your risk. So let me tell you what are the ways to control your risk. Okay, friends, so let me just do some calculation also. I will just write few things. Okay, 1 minute. Let me just take a page. So friends, you could see there is a risk of 15 points. There is a risk of 15 points. So if someone is ready to, take a trade, so one has to understand that there is a risk of 15 points. Minimum 15 point risk is there. Okay, and friends, 1 minute, just let the page to open. So friends, always remember, because you are taking an intraday trade, so which is quite risky also. So we have to understand that what is the risk associated with this trade. So as per the charts I have shown you, you could see that the stock has made some range. Stock has not broken that range in spite of the downtrend. Okay, it has made some range, it has taken some support. So I have marked a line, there is a green line. So this green line is actually a support line. Okay, so one can, what one can do here is, 1 minute, I have to remove these lines. Okay, I will just make it small page. Okay friends, so you could see here there is a risk of what is the risk associated with this trade? There is a risk of 15 point, friends. Okay, 1 minute friends, 1 minute, just let me show you something. And okay, you can apply it anywhere, friends. You can apply it anywhere. So you have to decide what is the risk. Okay, first of all, check your risk. Okay, then after, the next thing we have to decide, friends, we have to decide a risk bearing capacity. So friends, we should take as much quantity in a trade as per our, we can say, risk bearing capacity. Suppose friends, we have I will just give an example with a 10,000 capital in our trading account. I'm just giving an example, friends, with 10,000 rupees in our trading account. Suppose we have got a stock which is giving us a risk of 15 rupees. Okay, so friends, as per my own experience, and as per my own what I think, that for intraday we should not take risk more than 1 to 2% risk is more than enough, friends, because friends, we have to decide that how much loss we can bear in an intraday trade or in a trade. If we are going to take some trade, so friends, before thinking of profit side, we have to think of the loss side, that how much I can lose in this trade. Okay, so first thing that we have to look into, that we have to look how much I can lose in this trade. Friends, this is very important point. You can note down. We have to decide how much I can lose in a trade. In this trade, we have to decide this. Okay, once you have taken some decision and you're comfortable, suppose you're thinking that you can lose 500 rupees or 200 rupees. Let us say you say that I can lose 500 rupees for this trade. Okay friends, so then only we can go in this trades. And now how we can control that risk? So friends, as per just as per my own concept, what I do is I never take a risk more than I never take a risk of more than 2%. So friends, 1 minute, what is this? Yeah, okay, it's writing. Okay friends, so friends, simply telling you, I'm taking an example with 10,000 rupees in our trading account. So suppose we have 10,000 rupees in our trading account and we are getting a stock which is giving us a risk of approximately 15 points. So friends, I am just I have to calculate my 2% risk of my capital. Okay, so 2% of 10,000 is 200 rupees friends. It is 200. You can calculate it. I have already calculated this thing. So 2% of 10,000 is 200 rupees. How much is this? This is 200 rupees friends. So what we have to do is we have to decide that the quantity of the stocks we can buy. So friends, if we are we are taking this trade with the stock is giving us a risk of 15 rupees. So how can we control the risk? We have to, first of all, we have to check this level. We have to check first of all our trading account, how much amount is there in our trading account. Then calculate 1 or 2% of that your total amount in your trading account. Okay, so see, just I am taking as an example of 10,000 rupees in our trading account and its 2% risk is 200. Okay, so our total risk is I have decided that I can digest 200 rupees loss in this trade. Okay, so I am ready to go with this trade. So what I will do now, I will divide this 200 rupees with 15 so as to calculate that how much quantity I will buy in this stock. So it gives us 13 friends, 13.333. So I will take 13 stock, we can say 13 quantity of this stock and go long at this level. Hopefully friends, this thing is clear to everybody. If this thing is clear to everybody, please type yes. And if someone is not clear about what I am saying, type no in the WhatsApp group. Okay. So friends, you can type it fast. Friends, I am saying that I have just shown you a stock that was already in a downtrend. Looking at this candle, it is giving us an idea that stock is already in downtrend, and super trend is also showing a downtrend. It's giving a sell signal actually for intraday trade. Okay, but you could see it once stock has gone down, it made a level. Okay, it made a level that stock is not breaking this level. So we could feel that this level could be a support for the stock. Now once the stock has reached at this level, okay, and you could see that the moving averages, this is a 50 period moving average, red dark line you can see here. This is 50 period moving average. Then this we can say light red color is the 20 period moving average, and the last blue line is the 9 period moving average. Okay, this is 9 period moving average. So see here friends, these moving averages are just approaching this candle. Okay, and super trend has given us a buy signal. But friends, I am saying to enter in this level only based on looking at this level. Actually the stock has made some range. It has made some range and it is not ready to break that range. Even look at the first candle friends, stock has given a dip till level of this. Yeah, you can check this here also. What is the dip of this candle? It made a low of 3096. It opened 3121.55, made a high of 3121.70 and a low of 3096. So friends, see, stock has made a low, but look at, there is the main body of the candle is above this level only. There is only a thread like structure that's a needle or the wick. Okay, so this wick is indicating, what is this wick is indicating here? This is indicating that the bulls are taking the stock higher. The bulls are not letting it go down. Bears try to take the stock down, but bulls are pulling it up. Okay, finally the winners are the bulls, sorry, bears are the winners, because you could see there's a red candle. Okay, but after the, you know, it made a, you know, low level, very you know, very big low level. There's a, we can see the wick size of the wick is, you know, double the size of we can say approximately equal to or more than that the body of the candle. So it is an indication that bulls are, you know, trying to pull the stock higher. They're trying to pull stock higher. Okay, look at this level. What happened next? Stock gone higher again. The bulls tried to pull it up, okay, but could not break the previous high level, okay, and made this range. So friends, you could see there are some green candles also. So this level is indicating that stock has taken a support of this level. Once at this level, stock is, you know, this super trend we are taking, you know, we are just getting an idea as per super trend is given us the buy signal, and these moving averages are also approaching this candle, especially the smaller moving averages, just from it is approaching it from below. So it is indicating that now we can just take an idea that stock can go like this, moving average can go like this. Okay, this moving average can go straight, this can also go straight somewhere. Okay, and the smaller moving average can go higher. Look at its direction, friends. Look at its direction, that how is it indicating that it can go like this. Okay, and we could see that the stock has made some range. Okay, so what we can do, we can take a support level of this line, we can take a line also, we can make a mark a line also. So this level would be our support level. This is 3101. Okay, 3101 is our support level. Okay, so we can take an entry at above this level of 3115. Okay, we can take an entry of this level. So we are getting a risk of 15 rupees, friends. Approximately I'm saying 15 rupees risk is there. Okay, so suppose you have a capital in your trading account, you have 10,000. I'm just taking an example. What is the risk? There is a risk of 15 rupees. Okay, and friends, before taking an entry, we have to decide how much we can lose. Okay, decide how much I can lose. Okay, how much loss I can bear. We have to decide how much loss I can bear. So friends, before taking any trade, we have to decide that how much loss I can take if this I am taking this entry. So we have to decide a loss, friends. This is very important, friends. Before taking any you know, entry in any stock, either buy side or sell side, we have to decide how much risk, how much loss I can bear. Once you are comfortable, or once you have decided some loss, then only you can go in that trade. If you are not decided, you are not comfortable with this 15 rupees loss, then I advise you not to enter in this trade. Because friends, we have to understand our risk, because intraday trading is quite risky. Okay, we have to understand this thing. We are doing, you know, we are doing it's a business actually. Okay, we have to understand this business. So if we are taking a position, we have to understand that how much loss it can give us. So friends, always look at the loss side first, then look at the profit side. Okay, this is the right way of approaching a, we can say, trade. But most of the time what we do, we look at the profit side and we ignore the loss side. Risk side is ignored. That is the biggest mistake traders do. This is the biggest mistake traders do. So don't do this, friends. First look at your loss side. Look at your risk side, how much risk is there. If you are comfortable with the risk, then you can go with that risk. But if you are not comfortable with the risk, you should avoid that trade. Go for some other stock, check some other stock and try to find its levels. If we get some level where stock is giving us a risk that we are comfortable to enter, then only enter in that stock. So this is a very important, friends. Always decide your risk. Okay, decide how much one can lose. I can lose. How much loss I can take in this trade. How much loss I can take in this trade. So friends, we have to decide a loss. Once you are comfortable with your loss, so I have given an example of 15 rupees loss in this trade. Okay, now friends, I am saying that we have a capital of 10,000 rupees. Let me just write here, we have a capital of 10,000 rupees. So friends, what we have to do is we have to calculate. In intraday trading, friends, don't risk more than 10,000 trading capital. There is a capital of 10,000 in your trading account. Okay, so friends, for intraday, don't risk more than 2% in intraday in any stock. Okay, don't risk more than 2%. Okay, so friends, let us calculate the 2% of the 10,000. That is actually 200 rupees only. How much loss is this? 200 rupees. Now let me calculate that if a stock is giving us, okay, if a stock is giving us the risk of, sorry, our total risk is 200 rupees. Okay, we are ready to lose 200 rupees. Okay, we have decided that we can take a risk of 200 rupees. Okay, and the stop loss is coming about 15 rupees. So what we do is we divide 200 by 15 friends. So it comes to be 13.33. So this is our trading quantity. This is the amount, this is the quantity that we can buy, friends. So that means we can buy only 13 quantity of this stock, okay, and enter at this level of 3115. So we have to decide it immediately, friends. We have to decide it. Okay, we have to decide this, and we can look for a reward of in the ratio of 1:2. Okay. Okay, so let me just divide it. Let me just divide it by 15. So it comes to be 13 quantity. Okay, so we can take 13 quantity of this stock. Okay, we can take 13 quantity of this stock. Okay, and friends, always try to work in the ratio of 1:2. Always try to work in the ratio of 1:2. If we are ready to lose one part, that is if we are ready to lose 15 rupees, so we can expect nearly 30 rupees of, okay, what does it mean? It means if we are risking 15 rupees, we are taking 15 rupees risk, so we can expect a reward of, let me just type that there is a risk of 15 rupees and we can expect a reward of 30 rupees. Now let us just check it whether the stock has given us this reward or not. Okay, so we have entered in this level of 3115, friends, 3115, 116, somewhere we entered in this level. Okay, so see, stock has moved from this level. Look at this one big candle only, and just look at one candle, friends. Look at the wick only. The stock has made 3137. It has given 15 rupees here. Approximately it has given us more than 15, about 20 rupees given this stock. Yeah, sorry, 1 minute. 15 and 8. Yeah, 23 rupees, somewhere 23 rupees is given by this stock. So far it has given us 23 rupees, friends. Okay, and now look at finally, and this high, it has made a high of 3151. So friends, it has given us, okay, now let us calculate how much is this. Sorry, stock has made a high of 3151. Sorry, let us take 5. Okay, so we can divide, sorry, we can subtract 3116, sorry, 6. So friends, it has given us 34 rupees. So exactly what we expected, it has given more than that. It has exactly given us that reward. So this is the best trade, friends. This is the right trade we have entered. Okay, friends. Okay, I have explained you how we can take we decided the risk and we decided the rewards and we got for this trade. But friends, always remember that this thing is all will not work always. What we need to do is we have to decide if stock is, we are taking a risk, we can expect a reward. If we are taking a risk of 15 rupees, so we can expect somewhere around 30 rupees. We can expect somewhere around 30 rupees. But friends, don't just sit at this logic that if we are taking a risk of 15 rupees, so we will get a reward of 30 rupees. It's not like this, friends, and we cannot just sit idle and look at this stock to go anywhere. Okay, what we need to do is immediately once stock has made this level, immediately after taking an entry, what we need to do is we have to apply the stop loss of this level. We have to keep the stop loss. We have entered with 13 quantity of this stock and we apply the stop loss. Friends, always trade with stop loss. Stop loss is very important if we are trading. Okay, so how to control that risk? Okay, for that we always have to go with the stop loss. Never trade without stop loss. Always apply stop loss. 1 minute, friend, there is some disturbance in group. Okay. So friends, once we have decided that we are ready with the risk of 15 rupees, okay, we are expecting 30 rupees. But friends, nothing is sure in market. Market is a nobody knows the next step. What will happen next step? So what we need to do is, once we have entered in this trade, one stock has made some level, friends. What we need to do, one stock has crossed this level. Look at this previous range, friends. This one stock has crossed the previous range. Let me take a line here just to show this level. Actually, look at this level, friends. Stock has crossed this level. I will just take its color as the red line. Okay friends, so look at the red line. Stock has crossed the day's high. Sorry, yeah, stock has crossed the day's high. So this is a more indication. This is a clear indication that stock can go higher now. Okay, so what we can do, friends, at this level, once stock has crossed this level, we should immediately trail a stop loss at least at to cost level. So I will shift this line. I will shift this line immediately to my level of entry level. Okay, this is the best way, friends, to trade. Whenever we are in trade, we have to decide a risk, and we have entered with some risk. Immediately after taking our entry, first of all we need to apply the stop loss, and we have to look at the previous levels also. If stock has crossed some level, at least for the level of the day, that's an indication that stock can go higher now, and we can trail a stop loss at least to cost. Friends, look at the loss side. My approach is to look at the loss side always. I never look at the profit side. What I do is I look at the loss side immediately. My first step is, my first we can say target is safety of the capital. So how can we save our capital? By by trailing this stop loss from our we can say, and once we have entered and stock is crossed this level. Actually, I am talking there is a reliable point. Actually, I am not just telling with this way and we can go and trail stop loss at cost. No, we have to look at some condition. Is the condition, look at the condition. Stock has broken the day's high after making so many candles. After making so many candles range, stock could break the it could break the day's high. So this is a very good plus point. This is a positive indication. But the stock, then now it can go higher. Okay, so at that level we can take a stop loss at cost. At this level we can take a stop loss at cost. So this way we could control our risk, friends. So looking at the risk side is our first priority, because safety of the capital is very important compared to making some profits. We should be safe, friends. So this is my first target, that capital safety. For capital safety, what I do is, you might have seen those who are in my trading channel also, in my Telegram channel also, they might have seen I immediately after making some stock give some movement, I immediately say to a trail stop loss to that some level. I immediately give a trailing stop loss. I immediately trail stop loss. Okay, maybe sometimes the trailing stop loss is hit. 1 minute, sir. There's some questioning, friends. 1 minute, just let me read your questions also. Who is this? Someone has left. Okay. What I get to know, sir, what I get to know is using super trend with 9, 20, 50 days moving average, we can take decider. Friends, yeah, I am giving an example that we can take the help of these moving averages, and for new traders, I am taking an indicator that is a very good indicator for new traders. That is called super trend indicator. This is a very, very good indicator, friends. So it gives us some indication that stock can be bought or sold at some level. So we can take the help of this super trend indicator and take our entry in the buy side and sell side. Okay, but super trend sometimes get false signals also. So in order to avoid false signals, I have added some moving averages to make sure that our entry in the buy or sell side is right entry. Okay, for that I have added some moving averages. Okay, friends, let me just show with this. Okay, so see, friends, what we have to do is immediately we have to after the stock has made some movement, it has crossed the day's high level. So there we need to trail a stop loss at cost. Once, friends, let me complete this trade. Let me just complete that, then I will go to some of the stock. So look at this, friends. Once stock has crossed the day's high, that is an indication that stock can go higher also. So see, friends, it has made high at this level also, 3137, 3138 also. from our entry level. So it has given us approximately, we can say 23 points, friends. Okay, so those who don't want more risk, they can take profit that level also. So it's a good profit also. But if someone is, someone wants to take more profit, so there must be a technique, friend. The technique is we have to trail stop loss. Okay, we have to trail stop. Now what is the next step? We have to trail stop loss at this level, friends. We have to trail stop loss at the high level. Now we have to lock at least, we are locking some points, somewhere around 5 to 7 points are locked. Okay, once this candle is completed, so we can lock somewhere 5 to 7 points and be in trade. If we want more, we expect the stock can go higher also, and we want to be more, Yes, friends, sometimes trailing stop loss is hit. Okay, sometimes trailing stop loss is hit, but that is the right way of doing, We have two options. The best option is to take a profit at one stock, make some high level. We can take immediately profit of that level. Okay, that is one best point. But if we still find the stock can go higher also, if we expect the stock can go further higher, so what we can do is we can trail stop loss. So we can trail stop loss as per some level, friends. So I have taken the level of the day's high. Okay, if stock could break that level, so then we can expect the stock can go down also. Okay, so looking at this level, I have trailed stop loss of this level, and I have locked somewhere around 5 to 7 rupees are locked now. Okay, so at this candle I have just locked 7 rupees. Now look at the next candle. What happened at next candle is, after the next candle is completed, friends, so we can trail stop loss at the low of the next candle. Now what we can do is we can trail stop loss at the low of this. I'm just taking the body. Okay, down, you can take trail stop loss at the low of the candle body. Okay, so that we can lock some more gains. Okay, now we have trail stop loss of 3128. Okay, after this candle is, after this candle is completed, I have trailed stop loss at this level. So next candle opened here, friends. It made a high of this level. Okay, now we have got a full target, friends. Here in this candle we have already kept our target in the ratio 1:2. So here we have got the target, or we have got the profit. Okay, but if somewhere, suppose someone is, our target is not met, so what is the next step we can do here is we can trail stop loss of the next candle low. After the candle is completed, we can take stop loss as here. Okay, and see, look at this candle. Stock could make this level high. Okay, then this is the low of the candle, and see the next candle is down. So with this candle, our stop loss would be hit. So this way we will be out of the trade if our target is not met. So at least we would have earned some money. We would have earned some money, friends. Some good money is earned at this level actually. And see what happened next. Next, super trend has given a sell signal also. Okay. So friends, this is the way we can take an intraday trade. So this is one important step, that how we can take an entry. So before taking an entry, we have to decide a risk, friends. Always decide that how much risk one can take. Don't take a risk of more than 2%. Even 1% risk is enough for intraday trade, especially if you are new in market, if you don't have the knowledge of the market. So friends, don't risk more than 1 to 2% of your trading capital. I have seen people, they take trades, okay, equal to their, their trading account. They take risk equal to, they are not, I have seen people that when a stock is, in the loss side, they don't cut their losses immediately. They don't cut their losses. Sir, 1 minute, trailing stop loss. 1 minute, let me read some message. Friends, you can talk to me if you have some doubts. You can talk to me. Don't just type. You can talk to me. So I think that some Aditya ji was typing some message. Let me just unmute everybody. Friends, you can talk to me. If you have any doubt in trailing stop loss, please tell me. What is your doubt? Hello, Aditya ji, what is your doubt? Can you tell me your doubt regarding trailing stop loss? Hello, hello. I think I have to read the message. Sir, trailing stop loss will be good in trending market, but what to do in choppy market? Friends, when you are in choppy market, okay, there we need to book profit at, we need to be, in case of choppy market, our target should be very small, friends. we can't expect big targets there. We can't expect big targets in a choppy market. So whenever market is in range bound condition, what we need to do is we should take a target of even, we can say 1 rupee also, or 50 paisa sometimes. 50 paisa, 1 rupee. There we need to keep a target, small targets. We have to look for small targets. Okay, we can't we can't do this in with the risk. For risk side, we have to take the risk as per the whatever condition are deemed fit there. So we can take the risk. Okay, that much risk. But in reward side, we have to keep booking profits with the small targets. Okay, look at this condition only. It's like a choppy condition. Stock made a low of this level. Okay, look at this condition, friend. Look at this condition. There is a big candle, and after this big candle, there is a green candle. So this green candle has given us indication that stock will not fall. Look at these, both the candles, they make equal low. Okay, there is a mother candle and this is a baby candle. Okay, once the baby candle is completed, one can take an entry at this level. Okay, once this baby candle is formed after a big red candle, okay, this is a condition. After a big red candle, there is a green candle is formed, we can take buy side. And if there is a condition that there is a big red candle, sorry, green candle, and there is a we can say red candle, small red candle, there we can take a sell call also. We can short also. Let me take some condition also. Friends, please mute your audio. Please mute your audio. Look at this condition, friends. Look at this condition. There is a big candle. Mother candle is quite big. Look at the baby candle. Look at this baby candle. This baby candle is small. Okay, so here we can take a sell entry also. This is a very good strategy. Okay, baby and mother and baby candles are. This is a very good strategy, friends. Friends, please mute your audio. There is some talking, or I have to mute from my side. I will mute everybody. Okay, so now friends, you can type in WhatsApp group only. I will message, reply there. Friends, there is some messages. Let me read once. Friends, first let me complete the intraday trades. Okay, don't go for BTST or swing trades. I will take it in next week. I will go for the BTST and swing trade for next week. Okay, don't worry. I will teach every week. Okay, on Sundays I will take a session every Sunday. Okay, so those who are new in market, so friends, you can learn every week. You can take my sessions. Okay, so I will take at least 1 hour session every week. Okay, at the weekends only, because otherwise I'm busy. Okay, with my classes and other things. Because I take some, I take full courses of the technical trading. Okay, technical analysis. Okay, so I'm busy in my work. Okay, but Sunday is free. Okay, so on Sunday I will make some session for everybody, for new traders, especially those who want to learn and who have no knowledge of the market. Okay, so friends, look at this condition. Once the stock has made a big, there are big candles upside. Okay, after this big mother candle is there, see, the next candle is a doji, friends. This is a doji. This is a confusion candle. No decision can be taken based on this candle. But look at the next candle. There is a baby candle. This is a small red candle. So this is an indication. Now we can short it. So what we need to do, we have to trade. We have to take a stop loss of this level. We have to take stop loss of the high of the. Let me take a red line there to show the level. We have to keep the stop loss at the high of the, or we can say little higher than this level also, just 20 paisa higher or 50 paisa higher of the high. Okay, so we can keep stop loss at this level 3144.74. so we can take stop loss of 3145. Just add a buffer of few points. And take a stop loss of this level, friends. And we can short at this candle. After this candle is completed, wait for the candle to be completed. Once this candle is completed, we can take a short either in this candle or in this candle, friends. Okay, so here we have taken a risk of approximately 3142 and 3145. So friends, there is a risk of maximum 3 rupees. How much risk is there? Maximum 3 rupees risk. Okay, and minimum we should expect 6 rupees target. How much we can expect? 6 rupees target for intraday trading. Okay, because intraday trading is, it's a risky trade, friends. So we should not expect. If we get it easily, we get some condition, then we can expect more also. But ideally, we should work in the ratio of 1:2 in intraday trade. So if we are getting a risk of 3 rupees, okay, and suppose Now again the same strategy, we will apply the same strategy. The strategy says that we should not take risk of more than 2%. This is my own strategy, friends. This is a very good, we can say, risk management strategy. Nobody will teach this strategy, everybody will give you calls, okay, but they will not tell you how to trade. Okay, so this is my own logic, friends, and this is a practical logic that we should keep our capital safe, because if we want to be in market, our first target should be the safety of our capital, friends. If we have capital with us, we can take more trades, we can take more, we can make profits in future also. But if we take risk, big risk, so we may be out within a time frame of 1 month or in 2-3 months also. So I have seen most of the newbie traders, what they do, they take big risk, they don't know the risk and reward, they don't know the risk management, and what they do is they take big position, okay, and they lose, they lose somewhere 20% to 50% of their total trading capital in days. Okay, they don't know about the risk management. Okay, and within a time frame of within maximum 6 months, they lose their most of the capital, or their accounts are totally empty within a time frame of 6 months, I am saying. So this is my experience, friends. I have seen, even I have lost in my when I was a beginner in the market, even I have done the same way. I have lost money in this way also. Okay, so the biggest thing is, friends, we take tips from someone, okay, especially some fake advisors. So friends, don't run after don't run after the tips. If you want to do something, then go and invest somewhere in learning side. Friends, learning is very important. So focus on learning side rather than buying the tips. Okay, so see here, friends, let me explain you. Yeah, I am saying that there is a risk of 3 rupees only. Okay, and our total risk is 200, friends, as per the 10,000 rupees capital in trading account. So now we will divide 200 by 3. How much is this? We are getting 66 quantity. So we will buy 66 shares. We will buy this stock in 66 quantity and trade. Okay. Now let us see whether it has given us risk to reward in the ratio, whether we have got 6 rupees or not. Okay. So see, look at this candle. Look at this candle low, 3130. Okay, friends. So it has given us more than 6 rupees. Only at this candle. Look at, just I am taking the body level also. So this is 3132. Okay, we have shorted somewhere 3142, and we have booked profit with this candle low. I am not taking the shadow, I am taking just body low. This is 3132. Let us say 3136. Sorry, 3133. Okay, so we have got easily our target level of in the ratio 1:2. So we have easily got 6 rupees, friends. So 6 into 6 is 6. That is our profit. Got my point, friends? So got this concept of baby and mother and baby candles. If there is a green mother candle, and after the mother candle there is a baby candle, small red baby candle is formed. So these candles should be in opposite colors. Mother candle is green and the baby candle is red. So this is an indication of the sell. This is a it's a sign that now we can sell. Okay, right, friends? So I have shown you that there is a risk of just 3 rupees from this level. Yes, friends, you can add volume also. Okay, but what I am saying is, look at this condition. We should look some condition, friends. Okay, so see, moving averages have given this signal much later on. Okay, and even the super trend has given a signal much later at this part. Okay, so you might have seen sometime I share the charts also in my Telegram channel, where I say to sell at this level. Even I post the charts also. Okay, so friends, what I do, I look at these conditions. Okay, I look at these conditions, I short. Once there's a condition, friends, one stock is you could see here the stock is going higher. Okay, it is making higher highs. Okay, but once you see the stock has made some high, and then we can see that what happened actually, friends. What happened once there are buyers, they are taking stock, they are buying in huge quantity in this stock, so they are taking the stock prices higher. So what happened at the high levels? One stock is it has made some high level. Nobody can say that it is the top. Nobody can say that it's the top, but these candles are indicating that this is the top is now completed. This red candle is indicating the top is completed now. now the top is completed. So here we can take some risk. Okay, nobody is 100% sure that this is the only top. Maybe it can make some more tops also, we can move higher also, but here we can take some risk. Okay, so we have to decide a risk, friends, right? So we have to decide a risk. If we are comfortable with that risk, then we can go in the trade, we can take the trade. Okay, so here I said that looking at this condition, I find that stock has made enough upside movement. Now it can give some correction also, it can move some downside also. So here I can take a trade with a risk reward of 1:2 ratio, and here my risk is only 3 rupees, so I can take a position. Okay, those who want to save, they can risk only 1% in this trade. What they can do is they can risk more, only 1%. If someone is not sure about, if such kind of trade can be risky also, but they give high rewards also. Always remember, where there is risk, there is reward also. If there is minimum risk, there is a minimum reward also. So remember this thing also, but we have to look some condition. So the condition is showing that now stock has made, it has given enough upside movement. Candlestick pattern K, reliability 5 minutes chart. Friends, you can take in 5 minutes also, they are reliable. Okay, they are reliable just looking at some condition, friends. I am looking at the condition, I am not looking at the pattern, but patterns are also reliable in the 5 minutes time frame also. Okay, they are reliable. Okay, I am taking at this condition actually. See, what is the logic behind my conditions? What I am saying is there is a logic. The logic is actually, once there are traders who have bought at this level, once they have bought at this level, so once they got good enough profit, see, someone has bought at somewhere level of 3100 somewhere. Okay, one stock moved up to this level 3142. So a person is getting about 40 rupees, 45 rupees profit is there. So what they will do, they will those people, those who have bought in the lower level, now they will take some profit. So this is called profit booking, friends. Okay, once there is profit booking, so the stock is likely to correct somewhere. Okay, somewhere it can give some correction, little correction also. Okay, so this concept, what I am saying, that after stock has made the top, then we can short. The reason behind is that those who have bought at the low level, they will take their profit, they will book profits. So once the profit booking will be there, the stock will fall down. So same thing happened here, friends. Even at this level also, stock has moved down, and see, look at the level, finally it made to back to that level. Okay, stock moved from this level, made some high, okay, again moved down to this level. But yeah, it took quite a long time to come back to that level. It made a high in very short time, but it took longer time to come back. There are a few messages, let me read, friends. Just wait, let me read some messages. Okay, I have told about reliability of candle. Okay, this candlestick pattern, they are reliable, friends. They are reliable. Okay, but the reliability is for intraday trade. Everything is reliable, but that we have to understand. If we are taking a trade as per 5 minute time frame, the reliability is small. That is for intraday trade only. Okay, that is for intraday only. If we are taking position as per 15 minutes, its reliability is also for for as per that time frame, for intraday day only. But if we are taking some pattern as per 1 hour, 30 minutes, 1 day and weekly chart, the reliability is more reliable, and more we can say bigger levels are there. Okay, so everything is reliable, friends, but we have to understand that reliability is for that time only, for shorter time only. 1 minute, some Sushil is asking some question, how to select stocks for trade. Okay, friends, I will come to that topic also, but before we go to stock selection, this is very important to understand the charts. Okay, and we have, before taking any position, any short side or long side position, we have to decide a risk. Okay, once we are decided with the risk and we are comfortable with that much risk, we can take a position. If we are not comfortable, we are getting some so friends, don't ever take a risk of more than 2%. 2% is the last limit. We can take, sometime we can take a risk of 1% only. If you are not sure about the trade or the trend, we can go with 1% risk and trade. Yes sir, you can apply this thing in bank nifty, nifty also, everything, you know, everywhere these things are applicable. But understand, bank nifty, its movements are quite wild movements, so we have to understand that thing also. So friends, try to understand any index. First take some, you know, trade with very small quantity. Okay, take trade with very small quantity. If we are new to something, just like we are going with bank nifty, okay, bank nifty is a very, you know, volatile index. That is a quite a volatile index. So friends, when you are in, you know, just go give a try to it, try to understand, try to learn. Okay, so just take small positions, take small position and trade, because friends, nobody can teach you, or no strategy will work for you unless you are, you know, you understand the strategy, you understand the things. You have to understand the things. Make your own strategy friends, make your own strategies. Try to understand the market, understand the market behavior. Okay, nothing can help you unless you help yourself. You have to decide your own ways, how you can be successful in anything. 1 minute, there's one more question. Please tell us how which stock we should select for intraday. Friends, it's better to take liquid stocks, stocks which have high volume. We should select stocks for intraday trading, and the best is nifty 50 stocks or FNO stocks. They are best for intraday trading. Okay. Yeah, Rajiv has answered there that there are a lot many things to look at the bank nifty option. Yeah, there are, for option friends, options are very risky. Okay, they are very risky. Okay, the biggest risk is time. The biggest risk with the options is, the biggest risk is time. That is called theta. That is theta factor is there, because with the time, when the time is approaching, in spite the index or the stock is doing good, it is, you know, it is still in uptrend. Now it is not making big movements either side. But suppose we have taken an option position in options, and even we could see the stock is in uptrend also. Sorry, the stock is still above our buying level, but option price would decay with the time. As the time is up, expiry time is approaching, the stock options price premium will be decreasing. That is called theta effect. That is the biggest, you know, we can say enemy of the traders. If we are taking some options, we should not take an option, you know, don't take options for more than 2-3 days, and you know, don't play option near the expiry. If we are playing option in expiry, there we need big movements. Okay, if the stock doesn't give big movement, then our, you know, our premium will be lost greatly, and we will ultimately in loss. In spite the stock doesn't, you know, go in the downside, if you have taken long side, even if the stock doesn't fall, even if it remains in the same level or little higher level, but due to time approaching, expiry time is approaching, this you know, the stock the premium of the, you know, option will be decreasing. So options are very, we can say, risky friends, because there is a biggest you know, risk, that is theta, that is time decay. It decays with time, its value will decrease with time. Yes sir, you can take NSE site. Let me show you an NSE site, how we can take the help of an NSE site. Okay friends, I will check Bank of Baroda also. So friends, hopefully what I have told you, I think you might have got something, okay, to learn. Bank of Baroda. Okay. Yeah, look at this friends. Look at Bank of Baroda chart, and look at the moving average also. So friends, here in this level, let me show you at what level one would have bought. One would have taken entry at buy side in this level, keeping a stop loss of this low level. Look at the low level friends, there is some low level. Okay, suppose we have here, stock has fallen down, it has, yeah, there is a gap down opening, there is a gap down opening for the stock could not break this level. Now it started upside movement. Here super trend has given a buy signal, and it has taken the support of the smaller period moving average. Okay friends, so we will take an entry only once stock crosses this level of somewhere in the range of, we can say, this 20 period moving average. This red line is 20 period moving average. So one can take a buy entry once we see that this line is approaching here and this line is moving up. Okay, so we can take entry at this level friends, keeping a stop loss of this low level, keeping a stop loss of somewhere 117. Okay, somewhere in this level of 117, yeah, 117 I think, 117, sorry, 117, 118, we can take a stop loss of this level. We can take entry at this level, 119, or we can take entry at the once, you know, yeah, once this level is completed, we can take entry at this level friends, 120, 120 level, we can take an entry and we can keep stop loss of 117, 18. Okay, so there is a risk of 2 to 3 rupees, maximum 2 to 2 point risk. Okay, so friends, as per this, we can expect a reward of somewhere around 4 rupees. We can expect that much. If stock will give us that reward or not, that will be a later part to be seen. But now, as per the strategy, we can say we can take a risk of 2 rupees and expecting a reward of 4 rupees. So let us see. We have entered somewhere around 120 level. Okay, and stock has gone higher to 121 level maximum friends. Okay, so it has given us just 1 rupee profit only. Okay, so friends, here my trailing strategy, stop loss strategy will work here, because see, once we have taken trailing stop loss at this level, sorry, stop loss of this level, we entered at this level. Okay, once stock has crossed this level friends, once this candle is completed, once this big candle is completed, okay, we can trail stop loss somewhere cost to cost once this candle is completed, because there is a big candle. We can looking at this big candle, we have to, you know, we have to trail stop loss after this candle is completed. Once stock is at next candle, let me just show you, let me just highlight, we can say zoom out. Look at this big candle. We have entered in somewhere around 120 level. Okay, we kept stop loss of 118 rupees. Okay, and friends, once stock is moved up, this candle is once the candle is completed and the stock is at next candle, so at next candle we have to trail stop loss cost to cost. Maybe we are wrong, maybe our stop loss is hit, but we will not lose much. We will lose only the brokerage, our little loss will be there. So friends, look at the loss side first. Okay, once stock is crossed this level, once this candle is completed, and now the stock is at this candle, so we have to trail stop loss at the low of next candle. So one can keep stop loss at this level. Friends, please mute your audio. There is some noise. There is some echo, friends. Someone has someone is has unmuted the mic. Okay, so friends, after this stock is at this level, so we can keep stop loss at the low. Just look at the low of this candle only. We can keep low of 120.22 somewhere. Sorry, that is already we have kept there. 120 we already kept it. So once at this candle is there, okay, we can either we can wait here also. Okay, and next candle, once stock reach next candle friends, there we need to trail stop loss of the low. So here our stop loss would be hit. Here our stop loss would be hit. We have got just we can say 50 paisa target is there. We are not much earned much. Stock has not given us good amount, good profit. It has given us just 50 paisa only. Okay, if we have trailed stop loss like this, so this way friends, we would have controlled our loss. Okay, now look at this condition. Here is a condition. Look at this condition friend. Now these red and the green candle are making, look at their bodies. Their bodies levels are equal. Their body levels are equal. I'm just talking about body. Look at the bodies only. Shadows I will ignore. Okay, so is this stock is making the body is equal to their making the body high is 121.20. Okay, now look at this red candle. The red candle is bigger than the green candle. So this is a bearish engulf. This is a bearish engulf. It is indicating now the stock can fall down. So if we have not trailed stop loss, so we need to exit at this level. Here at this level we need to exit. Friends, please mute your audio. There is some disturbance. Friends, please mute your audio. Please, please, please. Someone is I could hear some song also. Let me check who is there. Who is there? Karthik ji. Karthik sir. Please mute your audio. Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir. Okay, so friends, look at this condition now. If we are bought at this level, so here we need to exit. If we are not trail stop loss, we need to exit looking at this condition, because the condition now, the sell side condition is, this is the sell side condition. Okay, so one can have shorted at this level, keeping a stop loss of 121.50. okay, just look at the, look at the previous candle high. Yeah, this candle, green candle high, we can keep stop loss at the green candle high, and we can short anywhere in this candle. We can short at this level, somewhere 121 level. Okay, we can short it. Okay, so see here friends, from this level stock has fallen badly, and see it has, and look at this candle, stock has gone below the smaller moving average. Though this is another confirmation that stock can fall now. Okay, this is a good condition to short. It is giving us one more confirmation that now we can short. The stock is now below this moving average. And look at this friends, nowhere after this level, after this candle is completed, nowhere the stock has crossed this we can say 9 period moving average. Look at this blue line, stock has nowhere crossed that line, means it remained below this level. So see, someone has shorted at this candle. Okay, so see, there is a big reward, there is a big reward till this level. Okay, it has given us a big reward friends. So suppose we have shorted at somewhere 121, sorry, we have shorted somewhere 121. Okay, look at this level, it came back to 118 level. Yeah, we can say 119 level somewhere. So we have easily got 2 rupees, easily, if not more, we have got easily 2 rupees friends. So this is a good profit. And friends, always, there is one more thing that we have to see is, this stock is very small. This is 121 level stock, so it's 1%. We can expect maximum 1% movement for intraday trading, or in any trade we are taking any trade. So we should expect 1%. So it's 1% is 1 rupee only. Remember it, 1 rupee 20 paisa is 1%. Okay, so for intraday, don't go for small stocks. Okay, unless there is a big, we can say, condition, there is a big news or something, we should not go for smaller stocks. Okay, because see, it's 1% is only 1 rupee 20 paisa friends. 1 minute, there's some big message. Shubhashish ji is asking, okay sir, is investing.com, when we check any stock, there in technical point it's showing different metrics like moving average, resistance, support, MACD level, but after that we can not decide what level to enter stop loss pointer. So sir, I'm not getting your point, what you're saying. When we checked any stock, there are on technical points, it's showing different metrics. Okay, different metrics like moving average, resistance, support, MACD. Sir, there is one thing in investing.com, that is the price that is reflected on the charts, that is approximately 30 seconds delayed. I think 30 seconds or 1 minute delayed actually. Sir, I am showing you the levels. Sir, I am showing you the levels. See, I told you that here in this level we can enter in the buy side. Once we get stock is getting in with the support of the smaller moving average, we can take an entry. Okay, keeping a stop loss of this level, expecting a target in the ratio 1:2. Okay, here in the sell side, I am telling you, here we can short. After this candle is completed, we can short, or even in this candle, yeah, sorry, after this candle we have to enter, this candle is completed. Okay, so we have to short at this candle actually. Yeah, 121 somewhere, we have to short at this candle actually. One minute, there are more messages, let me read friends. Isn't super trend on BOB deceptive? See friends, we don't just rely on one thing. We don't just rely on super trend only. Super trend has just given us indication that stock can go higher. Okay, and these moving averages are also in support. So we can take confirmation from 2 things. Okay, once 2 things are giving us some confirmation, we are taking a trade based on two things. So we cannot do a trade on the basis of just one thing only, or we have one more condition, friends. We have one more condition. The condition is stock is made this low level. Now it has not broken that level. Okay, so this low level is it's a kind of support. So here we can take some risk. At this candle we can take some risk equal to this low and take an entry. That's simple. Here I am saying that stock has made this high. Okay, after this red candle is completed, so here we can take a sell position, and this candle somewhere 121 level we can take a short entry. Okay, and we can expect 1 rupee. Okay, because see, stock is just, look at this, stock is small stock actually. This is a small stock, friends. So always remember, in intraday trading 1% target is more than enough. Okay, 0.5 to 1% target is enough for intraday trade. 0.5 to 1% target is enough for intraday trade. Yes, friends, you can you can check pivot points also. You mean change of super 10 color line isn't a trigger? Yes, sir. At the point where this trend line, super trend line color is changed. So it is once it was in downtrend, it was sell signal. So once this color is changed, now it is a buy signal actually. Look at the arrow also. There's shown arrow is also there. So it has given a buy signal, sir. Yes, sir. We can take that also. Pivot points S1, S2, S3, and R1, R2, R3 also. We can take those things also, but we have to look for the condition also. Look for some charts also. Look at some levels also. Friends, don't complicate. Okay, don't complicate. Make things simple. Make things simple. Nothing is 100% sure. What we do is just we can say it's a psychology, friends. Market works on psychology. 80% market works on psychology and 20% is other things. Okay, so we have to remember this thing. There is a psychology that stock can go higher. Okay, so trading is 80% psychology, friends. There is 80% psychology that one stock has made some level. I'm saying of this level, so we can expect the stock can go higher also here from this level, because it is now making some condition. So we can expect. So here we can take a risk. We can take a risk of this much. Okay, if we want to earn from market, we have to take some risk. Okay, if we can't take risk, we can't earn money. But what we need to do is our risk should be calculated. We should not risk more than our digestion power. We have to understand how much risk we can bear. Whatever risk you can bear, we can take that much risk with accordingly with the quantity. Okay, and take a position. Look at this condition. Here is a buy. We can enter at this level, keeping a stop loss. So we need not to put even indicator, friends. Okay, we need not to put some indicators also. One stock, you could see here the stock is now making some. There's a big move. You could see the stock is now moving up. Okay, with it's showing that fast movement is there upside. So here in this candle we can take an entry. Okay, anywhere in this level we can take an entry, and this side. Okay, and keep a stop loss of this. 1 minute, friends. 1 minute. Okay, I have unmuted. Sorry, muted everybody. At 11 a.m. on BOB chart, we can trade with a pattern like this. Friends, always remember what I am saying is that's quite simple, friends. I most of the time I don't even check that these things also. I don't even apply this super trend, these moving averages also. Okay, or I just take some big moving average, just like 50 moving average. So I could see here that the 50 period moving average is coming down. Okay, it is coming down, and once stock goes above this level, actually somewhere in this, I could see that suppose red line is still there at this level only, and I could see that chart has crossed this level. So this thing is a buy side. This is a buy signal actually. Okay, so here I could see there is a past level, there is a range where stock has not broken in spite of the gap down opening. So I will keep my stop loss there. Okay, at the low of this level, even low, For safe side, I will keep the stop loss at the low level and enter at this level. So friends, make it simple. Trading is not as complex as people make it or they tell about it. Okay, simple. You have to do is, what you do is, first thing we have to decide a risk. If we are comfortable with some risk, suppose I have shown you that there is a risk of maximum 2 rupees. Okay, how much risk is there? There is a risk of 2 rupees. Okay, so with this 2 rupees risk, we can enter in this stock expecting somewhere 4 rupees. This is our expectation that stock can give us 4 rupees. Okay, but see, stock has not given us more than 1 rupee. It has given just 1 rupee, friends. But see, remember it. Remember, its 1% is actually, sorry, its 1 rupee movement is actually 1% movement, friends. Remember this logic. So this is a logic for intraday trading. We should expect 1%, maximum 1%, target should be there in intraday trade. So my target is from 0.5% to 1% maximum. So this is a small stock actually. This is a 120 rupee stock. So its 1% is 1 rupee 20 paisa only. So don't expect big. Anywhere we get it easily, we can say anywhere we get easily 1%. So we can take profit once at that level. Once take profit, later see what happened next, then we see it later. Okay, so do it that way. So see, here we would have entered in this buy side, and we have got the sell side also. One minute, sir. 1 minute. There is some message. I have to read it. Okay, Chirag sir is asking, sir, after these Tata Steel just for after these Tata Steel just for minutes. Sir, I am not getting your point. Tata Steel just for minute. Will you again type the question? Let me see Tata Steel. Yeah, we got Tata Steel. There's some question. Please show Balkrishna Industry. Okay, sir, I will show it. Tata Steel. Please have a look. Okay, sir, I am looking at Tata Steel. Sir, please tell me what is your query regarding Tata Steel. Okay, sir, I know it. I know it that this Tata Steel is, in quite for a long time it was in downtrend. Okay, for a few days it was downtrend. Now you could see here at this level. Okay, yes, at this level, friends. See here. Here, super trend has given us, even moving as us also given a wrong signal actually. We could see here the super trend has gone higher. Okay, sorry, super trend is there and it has given a buy signal. But see, friends, here in this case, if we are trading as per this super trend and moving average also, if we have entered at this level, look at this level, we have entered at this level. Okay, so ideally the stop loss is at the flat line, this level actually. Our stop loss should be, friends, look at this level, look at the previous level. This is our stop loss level. If we have entered somewhere in this level, okay, this level is at 499, 500, suppose we entered 500 level. Okay, here our stop loss is this level, friends, 495, 495, 96. For safe side, we can keep a stop loss of 495. Okay, and we entered at 500 level. Okay, expecting it somewhere around at least 505, 510 somewhere. Okay, so it's 1% is 5 rupees. So we could expect 1%, that is 505 level. Okay, now see what happened. From 500 level it has gone higher. Let us just check how much high it has gone. It has gone 502 only, maximum 502. See, our stop loss is this level, friends. Our stop loss is this level. Okay, right. So see, stock once made this high and then started falling down. Okay, it made this level again. It made lower than our entry level. Okay, it made lower than our entry level, but our stop loss was this. Okay, and see, for quite a long time it remained in this range only. It remained in this range only, and then again started up move. Again started up move, and look at the moving averages now. They are again giving us a confirmation of the upside. And see, super trend line is not broken anywhere, friends. So this super trend line, this line, actually this is the support level for the stock. Till this line is broken, we can remain in position in the buy side. Okay, we can remain in position till this line is not broken. So see, one stock has made this range, so here we have to keep stop loss. We have already kept stop loss at this level. We have already kept stop loss of this level. Okay, so see, stock has once started moving up, so we can trail stop loss from this level to this level. Once this level is formed, so we can trail stop loss this level. Here, these flat horizontal levels of the super trend are actually the levels where we can trail stop loss. These are the level where we can trail stop loss, and we can remain in position till the time these levels are broken, means the level is broken. Okay friends, so see, if suppose we have entered at this level, okay, and we have kept a stop loss of 5 rupees, so nowhere stock has came to that level. Our stop loss is safe, friends. Our stop loss is safe. And see, once from this level stock moved up to, look at this candle high, it made 505, friends. So it has given us 1% movement, so here we need to take profit. Okay, here we need to take profit. So it has given us 1% movement, and it is by what time? Yeah, it is, yeah, exactly, sorry, it is 2:15 actually. I thought 3:15, no, so it is 2:15. Got it, friends? So super trend has now in this part, stock has created some confusion, some fear also. But friends, fear comes only when we are not applying stop loss. If we are already decided with a risk that we are ready to take a risk of 5 rupees, then there is nothing to be in fear. Okay, so friends, I have seen many people that once they enter in a stock and once stock started falling, then they get afraid of things, because they have taken a position which is much bigger than their loss bearing capacity. They have risked so much capital, they have risked more than 10-20%. Okay, so once a person takes a big position where there is a risk of 10-20% or even more, then the fear will come. That's quite natural that the fear will come, and the fear will be a winner. Okay, so person has to exit somewhere here. Looking at these conditions, a person may exit somewhere here, so he would have made some loss, some we can say 1 to 2 rupees loss is there. Okay, and later see the stock is gone higher, then the person will repent later on that I have just taken wrong exit. So friends, always trading needs discipline, friends. We need to be disciplined. If we are not disciplined, we cannot make money. Always remember, discipline has 75% contribution on our success. Discipline has 75% contribution on success. If we want to be successful, we need to be disciplined. Okay, so first of all, we should look at the our loss bearing capacity. Don't take a risk of more than 2%. Maximum risk for intraday trading is 2% of the day. If any day you get 2% loss for the day, exit your position, close your terminal. Okay, wait for the next day. The next day will come, you will again get some opportunities. Market will give us thousands of opportunities, friends, but if we are in market, if we lose big money, then we are out of the market. Okay, then there is no opportunity left. Yeah, I have to show Balkishan chart, industry chart. Okay, we get all these levels during trading time after 10:30. If we need to trade at opening bell, then do we need to check its previous day? Yes sir, if we are just going with the we can say if we are going with the immediately we want to take a position, so there we can take the help of the previous levels. Previous day levels can be taken as, we can say, support and resistance levels. Okay, so stock has to cross those levels, okay, to move higher or lower. We can take the help of the previous day level and look at the previous trends also. Previous day trend is also very helpful. Most of the time stocks behave like the previous day trend. Okay, okay sir, I will give in group. Okay, I will share in the group. I will share the Telegram channel link in the group. 1 minute friends, let me find it. Yeah, 1 minute, I have got it. Sorry. Okay, so someone asking about Balkrishna industry. Sorry, Balkrishna industry. Okay, Balkrishna industry. So friends, after this topic I will tell you about the stock selection. So friends, my main focus for intraday trading is, intraday trading is a very risky trade. Okay, so what we all need to do is we have to decide a risk before taking any position. And friends, always remember, it is not important to take a trade every day. Don't just do trading and it's like a routine work that we have to take an entry every day. It's not compulsory to take entry unless we get some confirmation, we are assured. Need to take some, once market gives us some assurance or it gives us confirmation, only then take a trade. It is not important to trade every day. What is important? To be safe and profitable. First thing is safety, and second is we need to be profitable. Okay, and don't ever fight with the market. If someday you have lost money, okay, don't try to recover that loss the same day. There are high chances you will lose more. There are high chances, friends. Don't ever try to fight with the market. Nobody can fight with market. 1 minute. There's some message. Friends, these banks are very important. Actually, look at this. HDFC has 35% contribution, in this bank nifty. Okay, so it plays a major role. HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, even this ICICI Bank, it has about 13%, its contribution in the bank nifty. Okay, it has 13% share. HDFC Bank has 35% share. So these are the major stocks that can decide the direction of the bank nifty. So you can focus on these stocks. So if look at these stocks, and based on their movements, you can decide for the movement of the bank nifty. Friends, please mute your audio, please. Getting my point, friends? So friends, someone is asking about Balkrishna industry. So friends, can you ask your doubt? What you want to know about this stock? See friends, look at this portion. The stock was in quite a range. It was in a small range of 1154 to 1154 to 1165. Somewhere in the range of 10 points. It was moving in the range of 10 points, friends. And see, after this 10 points range is broken. So here we can take one thing, friends, that is we can take a parallel channel. I will show you parallel channel. What we can take here in this condition, we can make a parallel channel. Do like this. Mark the high and low level. Okay. Now look at this condition, friends. I have drawn a rectangular, parallel channel here. Rectangular channel is there. Okay, so once a stock makes a range of like this, I don't know the previous level, maybe stock was in uptrend previously. Let me go back also. Yeah, stock was in uptrend, it made some level and then it started in a range. Now it is making a range, friends. So once we get a range like this, so there we can take a channel, okay, and wait for this level to be broken. So see here, once at this level also, let me show you and look at this level. One stock has broken this level also. So here we can take an entry in the buy side, keeping a stop loss of this low level. Look at this level. Actually I am talking of this level, friends. This is a major support level. We can take an entry at this level, up the high of this candle, high of this level. This high is 1165. We can take an entry about after the first candle is completed, we can take an entry, friends. After the one candle is completed, or we can take entry at this level also, 1166, 1167, somewhere we can take an entry, keeping a stop loss of 1155. Okay, so how much risk is there? There is a risk of about somewhere around let me check once, 55. Yeah, there is a risk of about friends 10 to 11 rupees risk is there. Okay, so if we are comfortable with this 11 rupees risk, so we can take a position and go long. So see what happened next. At this candle I told about the entry, because stock has broken this range. It has broken this range and we have taken entry above this level. Okay, our friends, we can do one more thing. We can wait for this previous candle also. Look at the previous level also. There is a previous level also, the nearby previous level is also. So we can wait for the stock to cross this level also. We can wait for the stock to cross this level. The level is 1168. Okay, it would be a more confirmation. Once stock would break that level in the upper side, that will give us more confirmation that the stock can go higher. Okay, so it's a very high reliability trade once the stock breaks this level. Okay, I'm talking of this level. This is 1169 level. Once stock has broken this level, once stock has crossed this level, so see, one can take an entry at this level only. We can take entry at this level, keeping a stop loss of this level. So here stop loss is big. Okay, now look at the reward side, that how much reward it has given us. Okay, so it moved from 1169, it moved up to, see, and these 2-3 candles also, it has given a big movement, friends. It moved up to 1208. So see the big reward. See, the big reward is there. The reward is huge, friends. And look at the super trend also. So we can keep stop loss up the low of the super trend also, because there is super trend level also. So friends, if we don't want this risk, okay, this level, so we can take the stop loss up little below. And look at this red line also. This red line is of 50 period moving average. So it is in support. Okay, it's again a confirmation that stock can go higher. So it's a high chance to go higher. Okay, so see friends, one can keep a stop loss of this level 1162 is showing. So we can keep, for safe side, we can keep a stop loss of 1160 or 61. Yeah, 6160 we can keep stop loss of this level actually. Okay, and go long. Go long above 65, 67, somewhere 69. Okay, and look at this level. Stock has once, and this candle only, it made a high. It made a high of 1211 friends, 1211. So yeah, 1011. Okay, and look at next candle also, it made a high of 1219. So it has given us a huge profit, friends. It has given us a huge reward. Okay, so as I told you that we should work in the ratio 1:2. Accordingly, if we are getting a risk of somewhere, we can say somewhere risk of about 8 to 9 rupees risk was there. I'm just talking of this big level actually. This is a big confirmation. Once stock crosses that level, we can take entry without thinking much. Okay, so we can take entry at right entry is that this candle actually. We can take entry above at this candle. Once stock crosses this level of 1169, we can take entry there. Okay, and how much risk is there? Somewhere maximum, there is maximum risk is about 9 rupees as per super trend and this 50 period moving average. So we can risk, we can take a risk of 9 rupees, friends, and reward is 18 rupees. So let us see from this level. Yeah, it has given us that. Okay, so it has given us huge profit, friends. So suppose we have entered even 70 level also, 1170 also, it has given us huge profit, friends. So at 90 we can keep a target of 90 level. Suppose we entered at 70 level and we can take profit of 90. So it has given us 90 level here. Look at this, friends. Look at this level, it has given us 20 rupees profit here, even at this level only. Okay, so it has given us good profit, friends. So this is the way we can take a position, friends. Now let us go to stock selection, friends. There are some, and I will, it's quite long time now. I want to close my sorry, trailing stop loss will work good. Yes, friends, trailing stop loss is a wonderful technique. Okay, but we have to do it in a proper way. We have to do it in a proper way. We have to see the levels. We have to do it level wise. Then it can work wonders. Okay, so let me just show you how to select stocks. So we will go to NSE website. Let's just open. Okay, friends, this is our NSE site. Those who don't know, this is www.nseindia.com. okay, so we can check NSE website, NSE India. Okay, let it up, we can say upload. let the page to open. Okay friends, so we are here on the site. So friends, there are different ways of stock selection. Okay, we can go to live market. Okay, by 9 to 9:05 in the morning, we go to just pre-opening markets. Go to pre-open markets. Go to pre-opening market, and friends, always look at this page, this part. Look at the condition that time. Look at the condition at the market opening time. Okay, if we are getting this this value somewhere in the green sign, 0.48 is showing, it's showing positive, so it should be 0.3 and above. If it is 0.3 and above or 0.25 and above, that is showing us a uptrend of the Nifty 50. Okay, Nifty index is up. Okay, it is giving us some condition. Okay, so this is the pre-market condition, and see, now we have to go down. So either we can go with the Nifty 50 stocks. These are the Nifty 50 stocks. You can see here, you can choose stocks from the top level. Okay, check here in value in lakhs column. Okay, see the select the stocks which have the highest trading. Okay, so we can check it once and arrange in them in decreasing order. Yeah, I have we can say, see, at the top level value in lakhs is 219.51. so this much quantity, there's a trading going on in this huge quantities there. Okay, as per value. Okay, as per, you can check as per quantity also, as per quantity or as per value. So the top stock in the list is Reliance, next is Hindalco, Bajaj Finance, Kotak Bank, Yes Bank, and accordingly. Okay, so friends, we can take 4 to 5 stocks from this list. Then we can do, what we can do is, next we can go with the F&O stocks. So if we are taking stocks as per pre-opening market, so we have to choose these stocks by 9:05 or 9:08 maximum, because the pre-opening market closes by 9:08 in the morning. It opens at 9 o'clock in the morning. Okay, it opens at 9 a.m. and it closes by 9:08. Okay, so we have to take stocks by 9:05 or so. Okay, check at that time, check this site and see all the stocks are at that high level as per quantity or as per value. Okay, I will arrange them again according to value in the decreasing order. So you could see here, even in F&O stocks, the Reliance, Hindalco, Bajaj, same stocks are there. You can see the same stocks are there. Sometimes these stocks may be different also, right friends? So we can keep these stocks in our watch list and look at their charts. Okay, and look for some condition. If we get some confirmation, we can take entry accordingly. Okay friends, this is one way of stock selection. Secondly, we can go to this mark again. Look at this live market condition. Just click cursor there. Okay, see, there is a condition of top gainers and losers. So we can take top 10 losers and gainers also. Then we have most active securities or contracts. Okay, right friends, so these are the best ways to stock selection. So just go to top 10 gainers and losers. Okay, so you can see here there are top 10 gainers. This is Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, Sun Pharma, Infi, Cipla, Tech Mahindra, and so on. Okay, and in the losers, so friends, when the market condition is up, so then we should try to take position in the gainers. Okay, and then when the market condition is down, okay, I told you the condition of 0.25 or 0.30. Okay, in the green or the red, when this condition is green, it's a positive sign, so we can go for the gainers. Okay, when the market condition is red, so that is a Nifty is downtrend. Okay, so then we should go with the losers, because Nifty is mother and these stocks are their children. So normally the children follow the mother. This is a simple saying. So do that way. Okay, select stocks accordingly. But friends, don't just go and buy just if we are looking at the market is uptrend and there are gainers and you just go and buy. No, we have to check these stocks. We have to check their charts and take a position accordingly. So let me just go with this Bajaj Finance to check in charts. Okay, because it's showing the previous day it was in gainers. Okay, so let us just go there. Let me just once show its chart. Okay, this is Bajaj Finance. Okay friends, so see, look at the wonderful movement of the stock. This is the 1 day movement of this Bajaj Finance. This is 20th of July. Look at this, look at the opening candle. Stock opened with this candle. Okay, look at this level. There is some previous level. Okay friends, you have to try to find some level, okay, in the previous. Okay, so we can keep stop loss of this level and even enter at the opening level. Okay, enter at the next candle friends. Wait for 5 minutes. Look at this condition. Look at this condition. Okay, see, this is a level, so we can keep stop loss of this level. And see, super trend has also given that same level as a stop loss. Okay, so see, this is a stop loss and stock opened at this candle. Okay, right, stock opened at this candle, so we can buy the next candle, because next candle is forming up, it's forming we can say bullish engulf. This candle is fully covered the body of the previous candle. We ignore the shadow, we ignore the shadow, we ignore the shadow. 1 minute. Look at this candle. Stock opened with this candle. There was some range in the past, and look at the super trend line also is there. So that is indicating, I am telling up this low level, actually this level, this low and this high. Okay, so we can take this level as a support level. Take this line as a support. Mark this level 2479. We can keep a stop loss of 2479 and take an entry at this candle somewhere in this level of, sorry, 1 minute, 24, yeah, 24. Okay, it's quite a big level actually. This is a big difference. Okay, so here we can keep stop loss of this level, but here the entry level is quite late actually. There's a big difference actually. Okay, so whatever difference is there, the difference is big, but see, stock is once at this candle, we can enter at this candle. Okay, we can keep stop loss of this level. Okay, 90 level somewhere, we can keep stop loss of this level also, because see, yeah, by this time after this candle is completed, super trend has made this level also, so we can keep stop loss of this level also. 24,99392 somewhere, we can keep stop loss of that level and we can enter at this candle. So see friends, if we have entered this candle keeping a stop loss of this level only, okay, this level somewhere 90 level also, let us say 90 level. Okay, stock has given a very big upside movement friends. It made to 26, 85, 88 somewhere. So friends, it has given a very good movement, and see, the whole day stock remained up. Whole day stock remained up, and see the moving average, how the moving average is supporting it. Both 20 period and 50 period moving average and 9 period moving average are supporting it. So it's a very good confirmation that we can be in a position, okay, we can buy in this level. Okay, and see friends, the technique is, don't forget, now initially the stop loss was big here. Initially the stop loss was big because stock is big actually. Stock is actually a big stock. Okay, so it is 2492. Okay, so somewhere around 25. So it's 1% movement is 25 rupees movement. So friends, always remember, its stop loss would be big also. If stop loss would be big also, but what we need to do is, once we've entered in this candle somewhere 225.10 also, suppose we entered somewhere, okay, we entered somewhere in this level. Okay, let us take, we entered at 22510 level. Okay, kept stop loss up to 2495 somewhere. Okay, we kept stop loss of that level. Once this candle is completed and stock is at next candle, so what we need to do is, we have to tail stop loss of this level 25080, or at least at this level or at cost to cost. Better would be to keep stop loss of this low of these two candles, because they are making some equal range, so we can keep stop loss of that level. Okay, after this candle is completed, stock is at next candle, so we can trail stop loss of this level somewhere at this level also, in this level also. Once that candle is completed, we can trail stop loss of this level somewhere here. So friends, if one would have taken trailing stop loss technique at there, so he would have locked a huge profit this way. Okay, and here we need to exit friends. Once the stock goes below this, this smaller period moving averages, here we need to exit. Once we need to exit, those who have taken position at the lower level, they need to exit at this level. They need to exit at this level. Okay, now stock has made higher also. From that level also stock has gone higher also, but ideally as per the proper, we can say, risk reward, and we should not be very, we should play with proper way, proper discipline. So as per discipline, we should, once stock started falling, nobody knows what will happen next. Stock can go down also. Okay, so here we need to take our exit. If we are bought at somewhere in this level, anywhere in this level, we need to exit here. So friends, it has given a huge profit actually. It has given a big movement. Okay friends, so I have told you about stock selection. We can take stocks from pre-opening market. Okay, we can select stock from Nifty 50 or we can say FNO stocks. Okay, or we can go with 1 minute, there's some questions also, or we can go with this top losers gainers. Friends, there are some questions, so with this I will close the session here. Let me just read some questions. Yes friends, trailing stop loss is a wonderful technique. Okay, once there is a trending stock, trailing stop loss is a wonderful technique to to lock our gains. Sir, I will give it. I will sometime I give sometimes I give options also, but option trades are quite risky. Okay, so I give option trades also as per as per my, if I find somewhere this stock I could see the stock can give some good profit, so I can give the option trades also. Which time frame is perfect to identify entry and exit? Friends, 5 minutes. I am telling you 5 minutes. I am showing you an only 5 minute time frame. See, 5 minutes time is not too aggressive and not too, we can say, delayed. 5 minutes time frame is for safe traders actually. Those who are aggressive traders, they can trade as per 3 minutes, but 3 minutes is not available in investing.com. 1 minute is for very for this is for 1 minute time frame is only for those who are very big experts. They are for experts, sir. The big experts on market, they take 1 minute time frame, and they don't wait for for bigger target. They take small targets and exit immediately. We can check 1 minute also, but its 1 minute movements are quite fast. So okay, so therefore big players, that means that is quite risky actually friends. That is not for safe traders. For safe traders, 5 minutes is the right time. 15 minutes time, it may be delayed sometime. Maybe the half of the movement is done, and then only we can take an entry. Okay, so that will be late. Okay, one more query. Yeah sir, I told you 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes is best. Last day Bajaj Finance performance very good. Yes sir, so it is possible that next day. Yes sir, see, this is a condition. When stock did good one day, so there are high chances of the stock to do the same for few days also, not for the coming next day, for few days also. Stocks are like, they move in a condition that stock started once an uptrend is started, so stocks keep moving in same direction. Though the movement may not be same, movements may be more or less, but there are high chances that stock can give a movement in same side. Especially for the last 1 hour, movement is more important to decide the trend. So as I could see, the last 1 hour movement is still upside. Or let me check once again. Let me just once check again. Yeah, last 1 hour's movement is still upside. Okay, so we can expect further upside in this Bajaj Finance. We can expect upside movement again. Okay, one more question is there. Sir, tell which time frame is perfect. Sir, I told you 5 minutes. Okay, sorry, one more question. Friends, let me read the questions. Okay friends, I will give you. Okay, I have kept I am closely watching HUL. Hindustani Unilever is in my watch list. I am watching this stock, and it will give a big movement. I am expecting a big movement in this stock because it has fallen. Okay, now it can give a movement provided it crosses the level of 80 level. It has to cross the level of 80. Once it crosses the 80 level, then it will give upside movement. If it closes below 40 level, then it will go for the downside, somewhere around 1550 somewhere. Sir, I have shared the link in in the WhatsApp group, sir. I have shared the link in WhatsApp group. Okay, sir, there is one query to check Zinc, Hindustan Zinc. Okay, so this is last query, friends. After this I will close the session because this time is quite late now. Okay, sir. So, sir, you can ask your query. What do you want to know? I just started moving upside. You're talking about this Hindustan Zinc. What would be the stop loss? Sir, stop loss is this level, sir. Look at this level. So, friends, always look at some conditions. Simple, it's simple. Quite make it simple, friends. Don't make things confusing. Look at this. Stock was in downtrend. See, after the downtrend, stock has made some low and started upside movement from that level. So keep that low level as the stop loss. I will take a line to mark this level. Okay. So take this level as stop loss, friends. Look at this level. Take 262. 262 is stop loss for this stock. Okay. And see, it is at 265. So if it if it gives a moves above 266, we can take an entry about 266. We can take an entry about 266, expecting target somewhere around first level would be this. Sorry, 66 is the entry level actually. So we can expect target somewhere around this level, 269 somewhere. Friends, stocks move in steps. If it has fallen down, it is in steps, and it is now going up. It will be in steps also only. So this is first step to cross. Once this level is crossed, we can expect target to this level somewhere accordingly. Stocks move in steps, friends. They show stepward movements. Maybe we are not perfect or correct every time, but most of the time things follow like this. So if it has to go up, it has to do in steps. So we can take entry about 266. Okay, and keep stop loss somewhere even at this level of 260. Yeah, this level is actually, we can, if we don't want more risk, we can take stop loss of this where the moving average is shown. So 263, we can keep a stop loss of 263 with 3 rupees stop loss. We can expect a target of somewhere around 269. So we can expect here we are getting about 1:1 ratio. Target is in the ratio of 1:1 because this is the target. First target is 269. Okay, then the second target would be somewhere around this level of 272. This way. Okay, friends. So with this note, I would like to close the session here. Okay, if you have some queries, you can message me in WhatsApp, personal message also, personal message inbox. Okay, right, friends. With this note, hopefully you have let me unmute you so that I can talk to you if you want to say something. So friends, I have unmuted everybody. You can ask me if you want to ask something. So that is only because 15 to 20 minutes last 15 to 20 minutes movement is all because of brokers. Okay, what happened? Every broker gives some margin to trade for intraday trade basis. Okay, so once at 315, 320 level, they close their once the brokers cut their positions, once they cut the MIS orders. Okay, so that leads to we can say big movement in stocks. So you might have seen after that level, after 315, 320 level, the market becomes it gives big movements. Even after 3 o'clock, the movements in the market big movement starts in the market. That is all based on the brokers are cutting their positions. Okay, and secondly, they are taking some big buying also for next day also. Okay, so means we can say that is due to big we can say buying and selling of the brokers. Okay friends, so everything is clear. So friends, with this note I would like to close the session. So those who want to join my Telegram channel, I have shared the link in group also. If somebody has some more questions, so you can ask me in personal, you can WhatsApp me personal message. Okay sir. Okay friends, good luck.